Hi Priyanka, I'm so sorry I'm 10 minutes late. I was doing this setup and tripod stand and all of that, so it took a little while. Hi Pooja, hi Sobedober, hi Dulci, okay, hi Just Aryan. How are you guys doing? Some of you reached out to me last night and some of you did not, but it's okay, I love you all. And let's begin the fourth session of our chapter, Nationalism in India, right? So before I start this chapter, Samrat, Harsh, Priyanshi, a lost illusion, there is a surprise waiting. There is a surprise waiting at the end of this session. एक तो सरप्राइज है, छोटा सा वो सरप्राइज ये है कि किसी 2-3 बच्चों को मैं अपनी चैट में ज्वाइन करने दूंगी. आई लेट यू ज्वाइन द चैट एंड आई लेट यू टॉक टू मी पर्सनली. ठीक है? कविता, संदीप, कंत, शालिनी, हाय. चलो तो पहले पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. लेट्स बिगिन द सेशन. लेट्स स्टडी अ लिटिल बिट एंड देन वी कैन टॉक अबाउट व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. ठीक है? सो कहां तक पढ़ा था अपन ने पढ़ा था कि नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट वाज अडॉप्टेड इन द नागपुर सेशन एंड फाइनली इन जनवरी 1921 नॉन कोऑपरेशन स्टार्ट भी हो गया था. अब देखो बच्चों, मोदी जी ने कहा था लाइट अ कैंडल. व्हाट डिड वी डू? वी स्टार्टेड बर्स्टिंग क्रैकर्स. Similarly, when Gandhi ji said to Indians that don't cooperate with the Britishers, don't cooperate if they are repressing you, oppressing you, don't do anything, just do a non-violent satyagrah. Indians heard something else. उन्हें कुछ अलग ही समझ आ गया. So now we have to discuss that what happened, how did non-cooperation movement unfold in different parts of the country. ठीक है? एक एक करके पढ़ेंगे भाई इस सेशन में. जनक, शालिनी, पवन, सौम्या बताऊंगी, ये सब भी बताऊंगी. इस सेशन में वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट, रुक जाओ, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट मूवमेंट इन द सिटीज. अब देखो बिगर पिक्चर क्या है. द बिगर पिक्चर इज गांधी जी हैज सेड डोंट कोऑपरेट विद द ब्रिटिशर्स बिकॉज नॉन कोऑपरेशन इज गोइंग ऑन, राइट. अब शहरों में ज्यादातर किस तरीके के लोग होते हैं? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल डू यू फाइंड इन द सिटीज? यू फाइंड मिडिल क्लास पीपल, कॉमन पीपल, आम आदमी, राइट? आम आदमी, आम औरत ऑल्सो, राइट? So these middle class people participated in the non-cooperation movement in the cities with full excitement. सबने participate किया, be it lawyers, be it doctors, be it teachers, be it professors, be it students, सब लोगों ने पार्ट ले लिया. ठीक है? अब सब लोगों ने नॉन कोऑपरेट करना शुरू कर दिया. They, government schools were now empty. Because colleges were empty. Why? Students were not going. Gandhi ji said, don't cooperate, don't go to the government agencies because government agencies are made by the Britishers. So teachers ने जाना बंद कर दिया, students ने जाना बंद कर दिया, lecturers ने जाना बंद कर दिया. In fact, lawyers were also not going to the court now, right? Non-cooperation full on in the cities. And एक और चीज हुई, political non-cooperation also happened. Political non-cooperation means there was a bargaining going on between Indians and Britishers. In that bargaining, वो किसी और दिन बताऊंगी मैं क्या bargaining थी. In that bargaining, Indians were to stand in provincial elections. ठीक है? Elections होने वाले थे जिसमें इंडिया को भी पार्ट लेने का अधिकार था. But Gandhi ji said don't cooperate. So in rest of the India, तो कहीं पे भी none of the political parties participated in the elections, right? Provincial elections. लेकिन मद्रास ने जरूर किया था. इन मद्रास जस्टिस पार्टी पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द इलेक्शंस. उनके अलग रीजन थे बच्चा पार्टी. दे वर डेफिनेटली राइट एट देयर एंड. This justice party was made up of people belonging to the lower caste, lower strata of the society, and that's why they wanted empowerment for themselves. They wanted empowerment for fellow Indians. और उन्होंने सोचा यही मौका है ब्राह्मण्स को दिखाने का that even people belonging to any caste group, lower caste group also can definitely be politically empowered, right? So apart from Justice Party, everybody participated in the non-cooperation in the cities. पर धीरे movement ना क्या हो गया? Slow down हो गया. Slowly, gradually the movement slowed down. And Mona, you know what happened? Sachin, you know what happened next? Shreya, Harshita? that people started going back to the colleges and hospitals and courts. Now you'll be like, ma'am, what kind of Indians were they? Why did they, went back? They were doing deshdroh, just like you're telling me these days that, ma'am, you're a cheater, you're a liar. You can also call the middle class people of our country back then cheater and liar. But no, bacha, they had their own reasons, right? There were no alternative. अगर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल ना जाए तो कहां जाए? वेयर शुड वी गो? इफ वी वोंट गो टू गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस, वेयर वुड वी गो? इफ वी वोंट गो टू टीच, व्हाट वुड वी डू? राइट? सो पीपल डिड नॉट हैव ऑल्टरनेटिव. लोगों को पैसे चाहिए होते हैं, सैलरी चाहिए होती है, राइट? इकोनॉमी हैज टू सस्टेन. दैट इज हाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड गोइंग बैक टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव इंस्टीट्यूशन, गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन, एंड नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट slowed down. Right? So ये तो था cities का. Also there was one more thing. Boycotting was happening, picketing was happening, right? But खादी, जो गांधी जी कहते थे कि बाहर के कपड़े यूज मत करो, हमारा स्वदेशी कपड़ा यूज करो, that खादी was so expensive. Now the Indians were so poor. They were like, अब खादी यूज करें कि खाना खाएं बैठ के? So खादी was very pretty expensive. It was hand woven. So now Indians started using foreign clothes also, going back to the government institutions also. Right? So this was all about Ram Agarwal. So this was all about the non-cooperation movement in the cities. In the next session, we will learn about the Awadh Kisan Sabha, Baba Ramachandra, and we will also learn about Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh. Picket or boycott ka difference, Jessica? What a question. Beautiful question. Boycotting means not using something. For example, I am boycotting Instagram. So what will I do? I won't use Instagram, right? Picketing means if you are blocking the entry. For example, I'm standing at my door and I'm like, nobody will enter my house because corona is going on. So what is that? That is picketing. Boycotting is a different thing. Picketing is a different thing. Both were the means of the non-cooperation movement. देखो तुम्हारी बात मान के, now I have bought a tripod also. Now I am taking classes like this also. अयो 13 minutes से wait कर रहे हो class का. So sorry. Chalo. Now, who wants to talk to me? Okay, wait a second. So many requests. I will. Okay, can you see? Waiting for Shalini, bacha, accept the request. Yes, Sunidhi, I will be teaching very, very soon, bacha. I'm working on it. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine.
Oh, you look so cute. Where are you talking from, bacha?
I am from Noida.
Noida, you're my neighbor. My family is in Faridabad.
Oh.
Okay, so tell me, did you understand today's topic? Did you understand the movement in the cities, or you guys just come here to talk to me? I think Shalini has a slow internet at her side. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lovely talking to you, Shalini. Thank you so much for all the love. I've seen your messages. I think
I'm 10th.
10th. Okay, very well. All the best, and we are going to be here and we are going to nail the board exams. All love and luck to you. So that was Shalini, and now I don't play PUBG. Now I have got to go because I have to prepare my dinner now. Now you'll be like, ma'am, kitna khate ho? Every time you say you have to prepare lunch or dinner. Yeah, that's true. Chalo, so I'll see you next time. And now the classes can be longer also because I have a tripod also. So bye-bye. Love you. Thank you so much. Why do you miss me? I'm right here, yeah. Bye.